Last spring we had little native birds called pardalots come and make a nest in this pottery cask that hangs from the fence in our garden. Back then the top of the cask had a little narrow neck on it, and when it came time for the mother to get the bird out, she couldn't get the bird out, and she was clearly becoming very stressed. So my husband carefully cut the top narrow neck of the cask off and made that hole that you can see in the top of the cask now, and the little bird flew out, and that was all good. So this spring the birds have returned and they've refurbished their nest, and right now they've clearly got young in there. I'm not sure whether it's how many birds are in there, but the birds are coming and going very frequently from the cask, obviously to get food to feed their babies. So I managed to capture some footage just so you could see how cute this is, to see this little bird. She enters through the bottom hole and exits through the top hole. So I'll just show you. I've slowed down the footage to half speed so you can see her, and just I hope you enjoy seeing it. This gives us a great deal of joy as we watch her come and go. So here she is. You'll see her in a second. If you watch now, you'll see her going in the bottom hole. There she goes. And then, in a couple of seconds, you will see her emerge from the top hole. There she goes. Isn't that just so cute? And away she goes.